Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Krystal, and today we are going to fix this hair, okay? Because right now it's just thrown up in a clip and we need to do something with it. So I'm going to come up with some sort of hairstyle and y'all are going to get to see it. So there's that. Okay, so I think I know what I want to do. And that part looks decent. And then I'm really not too worried about it being super duper even in the back because I don't think that it's gonna matter. Okay, so I'm gonna grab apparently I'm gonna grab 40 elastics. I'm gonna grab 2 elastics and I have my hair separated. I kind of like roughly part it down the back, but like I said, I'm not really too worried about it. And this is going to be more of like a messy look, so I'm not really worried about smoothing everything out. Also, I can't see the back of my head, so if you're behind me and you don't like the way it looks, then just get in front of me then. And then we're going to go around, I think like twice. And then we're just going to kind of do that. And then we're going to loosen up. So we're just going to kind of like loosen up this hair a little bit. You want to hold the elastic and then just kind of like pull up gently. If it's not coming easily, then don't force it. You could break your hair. And then we want these little tails, we want them to be kind of like that. And then we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So elastic, and then we're going to wrap around once, twice, well, I guess 3 times, and then on the 3rd time you're going to make the little loopy guy. And then you're going to kind of pull. And I feel like the messier, the better with this. Come on, drop down. And then again, I'm going to pull some hair out. Like so. Okay, and so we are going to pull out some face framing pieces, and then I want some from here as well. There we go. And then I really like, hold on, there we go. I like how this one is more, yeah, so there we go. All right, and then we're going to take handy dandy straightener. You can take whatever you want. If it's curling iron, whatever. I'm going to take my Chi. I love my La Duo. I love my Beach Waver. I love all those products. But you cannot beat a Chi. You just cannot go wrong with the Chi. I will always love my Chi over every other hot tool. I just will. And I just am going to, I just want to give it a little bit of texture. Not a curl. Not a curl, just a little bit of texture. So I'm going to kind of just go down, and then I'm not even going to turn it completely. See? Well, hell's bells, that one looks stupid. If it doesn't look good, then just take it and kind of straighten back over. There we go, that's better. You can hear the floor creaking, it's because Gus is in here and he's walking around. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on this side, so we're just going to, nothing crazy. Well, that doesn't even look good. There we go. There we go. And then same with this little piece. Because I don't want it to be curled. I just want it to be like wavy, textured, messy looking. And we're just going to zhuzh a little bit. This is super cute and easy. Like, this is really, really easy. This would be a great hairstyle if your hair is dirty and you just do not have time to fix it, but nothing else will work. And you don't want to do a ponytail or a bun. I don't know why I did ponytail in air quotes, but you don't want to do a ponytail or a bun. You got these 2 little cute pigtails, very, very cute. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you try it out, let me know in the comments down below. If you have not subscribed, please do that before you go. Also, check out the description box, and you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram if you follow the links down there. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.